How to play league with friends on ESPN Fantasy Football. Hi guys, it's Mekran. Today I am going to guide you how to play league with friends on ESPN Fantasy Football. Playing league with friends on ESPN Fantasy Sports is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the app, launch the ESPN Fantasy Sports app on your device. Log into your account. Make sure you are logged into your ESPN account. Tap on Create New League. On the main screen, you will see an option to create league. Tap on it. Set up your league. Once you set up your league, invite friends. Once your league is created, you can send invitation directly from the app by copying the link, texting invites and sending it through email. Or you can just join your friends league and play with your friends. And here you go, that's how you can play league with friends on ESPN Fantasy Football. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.